In the wake of growing cases of buildings collapsing, the government plans to step up surveillance targeted to net rogue developers. And as Allan Aoko narrates, about 80% of buildings in Kenya are built without engaging professionals.
So far, the government has in the last 3 months inspected over 300 buildings in Nairobi. The Ministry of Public Works says for now already 90 buildings have been marked unsafe for occupation in Nairobi. In the wake of increased cases of building collapsing, Kenyans are being encouraged to report suspicious building activities in their neighborhoods.
If you are neighboring a building that is already marked unsafe and you see somebody building, it's your life also. Yeah, go to the chief, go to whoever it is, go to the police and report.
Kitungu says some key players in the construction value chain were being ignored in the taking of responsibility of poorly built buildings.
I think we are also coming up with another gap now, which we really must deal with. And the gap is what happens to the developer. Because we go to the site, like now, one of these sites we have already arrested some people. But you go and arrest the foreman. The developer is never part of it. So we have also to deal with the developer now.
He was speaking during the launch of the guidelines for safe homes following the signing of a memorandum of understanding between the Architectural Association of Kenya and Habitat for Humanity International to promote innovations in shelter, adoption and popularization of healthy housing best practices through research.
We actually have a building code that has been enforced and a new one is actually going to be rolled out, and most of these guidelines actually are captured in the new building code. So what will be pending to be done is that all professionals and stakeholders in the construction industry will just need to follow these guidelines to ensure that what we are churning out in terms of homes and ideally office spaces are healthy, and we're able to ensure that we have a better outlook in terms of our housing and our places of residence.
Allan Aoko, Lunchtime News.